Hello everybody, I got a special one for you today. We're gonna be installing an Active Autowerks mid-pipe on this M2 competition that's right behind me. We're helping out our friend Alex today and getting this pipe on, and really excited to see how the car sounds. So stick around till the end. You'll get to hear a before and after of the car and how it sounds. So let's get to installing this. Here we have the mid-pipe kit. So we're not doing the full exhaust from Active Autowerks, but we've got these adapter pipes that we can cut and install this exhaust in place. It's a mid-pipe that's just really gonna be joining the two paths of the exhaust gases together, and that's gonna avoid a lot of the rasp on the car and give it a kind of a deeper tone. So we've got our install instructions right here with where we're gonna be cutting on the car, and let's get to it. All right, now as you can see, we have the exhaust fully removed from the car. What we're doing is we're just cutting the exhaust where it's supposed to be cut. So that's, we're 1.5 inches from the passenger side and 6.25 inches on the driver's side. Here's what's known as a tailpipe cutter. Kind of looks like a pizza slicer, but what it does is, as you can imagine, goes around the entire length of the exhaust pipe and then using pressure slowly cuts it. So what I've got is I've just got to cut the exhaust here, and then we're going to put the mid pipe on. Boom, now we've got it separated. We're gonna pull this mid pipe out. We're gonna line up the new mid pipe, which is over here. And then we're gonna put the clamps on and transfer over the bushing up there. All right, we've got our mid pipe mocked up, cutting the previous mid pipe where it was before using the tailpipe cutter. We've got our clamps on, these helical clamps right here, which allow us a lot of movement so we can adjust this once it gets in the car. We've already transferred the bushing in the front. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this exhaust back under the car and line up the front flanges and then put the tips into place and slowly start tightening everything up so that it fits well. So we're all done installing the Active Autowerke mid pipe on Alex's M2 competition. We have the old one right here behind me. So install was not too hard, pretty easy, I'd say, if you've already taken off your exhaust system from your M2 or M3, M4. Let's get to some sound clips now, and then we're gonna do some drive-bys just to show you guys what this exhaust system sounds like. Hope you guys enjoyed.